welcome back to K Mondays with Miles and Kel. Today's going to be really fun because we're going to do something fun, that is decorating photocards.
Yes, and it's actually one of my hobby. I really like doing it, so I hope you'll enjoy the video with us today. So let's start with the video. So we're going to start now. Super excited.
Super excited.
This is some sort of like art and crafting.
Yeah,
DIY.
that's right.
Yep. We really like to do those kind of activities.
We are the crafty sisters.
Yeah, okay. So while preparing for this video, I've collected some of the
creation
that
she has made.
And she also has made.
That's a lot.
Actually, a lot. I was like quite shocked too when
look at that stack.
Because I will show you some of it. No, maybe I will show you all of it.
Ah, yeah, no problem.
Would you like to see it? Okay, so as you know, we're BTS Army, so most of our collection is BTS
theme.
So the first one is this one, the Sowoozoo. What is that? Mini photo card, the unit version.
You can see Jin, Suga, J-Hope, and Jimin.
And the second one is this one. So the other unit, this is V, Jungkook, and RM. So this is one of my the first time doing.
Oh really?
Yeah,
that's the first time.
Almost the first time.
It's really good for a first time, don't you think?
Thank you. Thank you. And I also written like ARMY and BTS after that with Hangul. And the next one.
Pentagon.
So this is Pentagon Shinwon, my bias. So I decorated with the theme of rock because Pentagon have songs, which is,
that's right.
I forgot the English title, but in Korea it's Chonggeguri. So the theme is like there were like some frogs, so that's why I choose it on this photo card decoration. So the next one is I have two of Jungkook.
Of course.
I'm a Jungkook fan.
You can't have too many of Jungkook PC.
So the first one is this. This is one of the latest one I have because this is the, what is that?
PTD?
Yeah, Permission to Dance. Mini photo card, and I also written focus on because it's Jungkook saved once on Feel Live. So the next one is this one. This is the BTS collaboration with Tokopedia.
This is like online shopping platform in Indonesia,
and this is actually quite rare.
And well, I still remember the struggle to get this PC. It's like
and this is the hologram one. So yeah, it's quite rare, and we're really grateful that we got it. Okay, so this is my latest, I think.
I think.
Yeah, this is the Yet to Come. I decorated as the theme Yet to Come as their latest song, and also Purple Whale.
Yeah, and it actually matches with the back part.
Oh yeah, this
purple.
is the Dicon photo card, the group version.
So pretty. I really like this one.
So the next one, moving on to another group which I also like. So it's Monsta X, and I have two favorite members. That is IM and Minhyuk. So this is the photo card I made. I really like this one because the photo cards is the unit of my favorite members.
Yeah.
And as I told you before, I choose this one is from the
song lyric, right?
Yeah. So you want to write with me and then put the animal representative over here.
So now it's my turn to show the creation I've made, and maybe some of you already guessed it already. All of them are Jimin. Okay, I've only made 3, if I'm not mistaken. The first one, I think it's the first one. It's the Sowoozoo Jimin from the 2021 Master, and the theme is Spring Day.
Actually, this photo card is also one of the most famous Jimin photo card for the Sowoozoo.
Super cute. This is from the Army Bomb photo card, Map of the Soul, and the theme is actually like a little bit of red and blue. It just my idea was to match with the Jimin's clothing here.
Yeah. That's it.
And there's written there, Park Jimin. And the last one is this one from PTD, also Jimin. And this one, the theme is to matches the summer season right now in Korea. So I put like subak, the what do you call it? Watermelon. And then hot, because it's really hot summer.
And hot Jimin.
Yeah, and with Jimin initial JM like that. So here are the stickers that I use to decorate the photo cards. I think she's a bit overwhelmed.
I really like to buy stickers and doing this as just I told you before.
Yeah, it's
so
like a hobby.
we're going through while showing you the stickers we have, and also once again telling you the tips and tricks on doing this one. So I think the most important one is
to find the theme, right?
yeah, find the theme.
Yeah, first one that's the most important
easy
one.
way to decide your theme is, as we told you before, like you can choose the words from
The lyrics or the song title, maybe.
song title, or
Maybe the famous quotes they
yeah,
have said.
or even their names.
Yeah,
you
their
can
names.
write their names with like sticker letters like this.
Even we also have this. We also have this Korean alphabet sticker.
Yeah.
So it's Hangul.
Hangul sticker.
Yeah, we've used that a lot of time, I guess. Yeah, and also the second one, maybe you can get your inspiration from season. Yeah, like what I made like spring theme or summer theme. Maybe the next one I will do autumn and winter. It's upcoming season, right?
Right. And the next one is you can choose from
The animal emojis.
Yeah, animal emoji representations of your favorite idol member.
Yeah.
Like rabbit or bird or cat.
Or alpaca for Jin. BTS.
Okay, and then
You can also use like numbers, right? Numbers like this.
numbers.
Maybe it's like the date of their birthday or debut
date.
Yeah, can be anything.
And also,
This unit like this, right?
oh yeah, some of this is just
It's like the
border.
border stickers.
Like, can make it like this like a ribbon one, or can also make this one like the circle one.
Yes. So yeah, and the most important thing is just be yourself, be creative.
And one thing, I recently bought this one, so this is like a food theme.
Yeah, food
so you can
theme.
choose like your members' favorite food as well. So I'm planning to make another one as well with this.
Yeah, that's a nice idea actually. And also the color theme, right?
Yeah,
the color theme. We can make it like maybe
a mix of 2 until 3 colors. I think
Yeah.
that'll be best.
according to your style. Maybe you want to do it like black and white, maybe, or to be more sophisticated, or you want to.
Or you can go with the fandom color as well.
Fandom
Yeah,
color.
like purple,
Yeah.
sky blue, and stuff like that.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to start with my first photo card, that is Monsta X I Am. So my plan is I want to make like, so I have already prepared a paper. This is like a half shape from a heart. So I want to make like letters over here, writings over here around the edges, like here, with one of my favorite Monsta X song, By My Side. I will write the lyrics over there. So I'm going to follow this shape over here. So let's go. So before that, I want to make this, what is this? The sleeve into hologram. So I already made a purchase of this hologram sticker. Look at this, so pretty, right? So I already marked the size over here, and I'm going to put the hologram sticker all over the sleeve. So let's try. So this is the result after putting the hologram sticker, but I think I kind of failed because there's still bubbles, like small bubbles. So make sure if you want to use this, make sure you press it really well before sticking it. So another tip, because this paper keeps moving, right? So I'm going to use this masking tape. Okay, so the paper won't move around. Yeah. And also you can put on the, you make like this and put it
behind here, like that. See?
Well, I just figured it out just now.
So I think I'm going to put like flowers or other stuff over here. So I'm going to start writing it backwards. So I will not leave any gap on the end. So I'm going to write it backwards like this. Okay, so I finished. Stay by my side. I love you always. Oh, I really satisfied this one. So later on, I will fill the rest of it. I think I'm going to stick with this kind of theme, like flowers. Woo, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to fill the rest of it with flowers, flowers, flowers. And don't be afraid when putting stickers, like you go over the sleeve is okay. Later we can trim it off with scissors to trim off the excess stickers over here. I'm going to fill some of this gap over here with the smaller flower, and I think I won't put any cat sticker because I already like the way it is now, just flowers. So yeah, so using like this smaller size of flower, you can fill in the gap. And it's actually, you know, the sticker film is transparent, so actually it will be a nice tip if you just put it like this. If you want to see whether it looks nice or not, you can put on top of your sleeve. Ta-da! So this is the final result. Do you like it? I personally really like this. Oh, my first ever photo card decoration with the half heart shape. Oh, I'm very happy. I'm going to decorate this Topedia x BTS. So the theme that's on my mind is I'm going to use the color theme of purple and also with a touch of white, such as this pearl, and maybe I'll add the writing using this white alphabet stickers. Then let's see. Now I'm going to add pearl stickers to frame the photo card. So, and let's check it out. Wow, thankfully the sticker is like this, so I can make a straight line very quickly. Then I'm thinking about to put purple deco on the corner. hope you had a lot of fun with us today in this episode of K Mondays with Miles and Kels. And if you want to rewatch it, you can watch it on Kooky app or on Kooky official YouTube channel. And don't forget to meet with us again on the next episode of K Mondays with Miles and Kels every Monday. For each 2 weeks, and you can see us on 9 p.m. KST, or if you are residing in Indonesia, you can see us on 7 p.m. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.